Namaste. Today we will look at the 15th Sloka in chapter 2. Yam hina vyathayanty-ete puruṣaṁ sama-duḥkha-sukhaṁ dhīraṁ somritattvāya kalpate. Yam hi na vyathayanty-ete puruṣaṛṣabha sama-duḥkha-sukhaṁ dhīraṁ saha amritattvāya kalpate. In the previous sloka, Bhagavan had explained that pleasure and pain was because of the senses coming in contact with their objects. He had also asked Arjuna to tolerate or withstand titikshasva. Okay, so what do I get if I tolerate is what is answered in this sloka. Yam hina vyathayanty meaning agitate. So one who is not agitated, yam whom the heat or cold, ete here means heat and cold. One who is not agitated by heat and cold. For such a person, and what kind of a person he is? sama-duḥkha-sukhaṁ. So he is a person who treats sukham and dukkham as same. Usually Rama is shown as an example for such a person. When Dasharatha told him that he will be coronated the next day, he had a mild smile on his lips. The next day, when Dasharatha told him that he had to go to the forest, still Rama had the same smile. Unlike these days, when somebody gets, he did not party or he did not roll on the ground. So a person who is a dhīraṁ meaning intelligent, an intelligent person also who is the same in both happiness and sadness, and whom heat or cold does not agitate, such a person becomes fit for moksha. Amritattvāya kalpate. So he becomes fit for moksha. Okay, what is moksha? Moksha also has different names given in the Shastras. Nirvana, Kaivalya, Mukti. Okay, what is moksha? Moksha is liberation. Liberation from what? Our Shastras tell that we are continuously born and we continuously die. So Acharya Adi Shankaracharya in his Bhajagovindam 6, Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Janani Jatare Shayanam. Punarapi Jananam, again birth. Punarapi Maranam, again death. Punarapi Janani, and again you sleep in a mother's womb. So it's a continuous cycle, and we have taken crores and crores and crores and crores of births. In Panchadashi, written by Swami Vidyaranya, Kurvate karma bhogaya karma kartum cha bhunjate nadyam kita ivavartat avartantaramashu te prajanto janmano janma labante naiva nivrittim. So here Acharya shows an insect which is caught in a small whirlpool. Once it escapes from the whirlpool, only to be caught in another whirlpool. It escapes from that whirlpool, only to be caught in another whirlpool. Similarly, this self or the individual travels from one body to another. That is why samsara in Sanskrit means samyak sarati, slips from one body to another. And he receives no respite, because once karma is done, karmana badhyate jantuhu. He is bonded by the karma he has done. Okay, so how do I attain moksha? Shastras tell that you need to develop 4 qualifications to attain moksha, and with that, when you have those 4 qualifications, when you listen to the Shastras, you get enlightened. What are those 4 qualifications? Viveka, Vairagya, Samadhi-sampatti, Mumukshutvam. Viveka meaning discrimination. discrimination between permanent and impermanent thing. What is vairagyam? Dispassion, not getting attached to anything. What is samadhi-षट्क-sampatti? Sixfold treasures or six virtues. Shamaha, damaha, uparama, titiksha, shraddha, samadhana. All the others we'll see later, but you can see that titiksha comes here, which Bhagavan has just told. Finally, mumukshutvam, a desire to get liberated. When someone has all these qualifications fully developed, and when he listens to the Shastras, which tells us who we are, then the knowledge dawns about him and he is liberated. There is no more birth and death cycle for him. We'll continue with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.